Hello viewers, now I am at Hazrat Shah Jahan International Airport. So as always I have completed my formalities in the lounge. That means had some light refreshments, and then I will be heading towards my flight to Cox's Bazar, and I will gradually give you the update. Thank you. Okay viewers, so I have checked in. This is a spacious room, Alhamdulillah. After accomplishing some of the tasks, official tasks, I will start cycling inshallah. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hello viewers, welcome to Dr. Arifin Cycling. Now I'm in Cox's Bazar in my hotel. So this is the fourth time I have come here to cycle, and only main thoroughfare through which we can cycle is the Marine Drive. So I will go again there, try to collect some footage and videos for you, and I think it will be an interesting one. So please stay with us. And as always, you see that I have got my folding bike with me, and inshallah we'll have a good ride. Thank you. So viewers, I have started the ride. Came out of the main town. This is the commencement of the Marine Drive. As far as I know, the road is being under constructions. I may find some of the areas area of the roads are not at all in a good condition. Okay viewers, so I'm now stepped down from the cycle, and this is just the Bear Sea in front of me, just walking around a little bit. And today, you know, there is a little bit of inclement weather, so what is happening now is the wave is very strong. So today in this leisurely cycle ride, what I'm trying to do is getting down frequently from the cycles and trying to show you the interesting thing that are trapped in my eyes. Okay viewers, I have stepped down from my cycle again, and one issue has attracted me. That's why I got down. Yes, now if you could see that this is the seashore where there has been some pit holes where a polythene layer is there and water has been accumulated, and within this water there are the small shrimps are here. So the purpose is to grow this small shrimps into larger size, and then they will take it to some other places. So it's a very interesting one, and I haven't seen this earlier. This is for the first time, so I have tried to show you. One fisherman is here. He is working on with all his utensils to make sure that the things grows right. I see here the remnants of large wood pieces, maybe the roots of different trees. I don't know whether they have been cut off or it has been naturally being kept here, but adding some diversity here in this natural scenic landscapes. So try to capture this. So viewers, now I am by the side of a water bodies which runs parallel to the sea, and this is actually a barrage that is being now being constructed to actually to save this marine drive. We haven't seen this previously, but it's a massive construction work that is going on, and I think it will take a lot of time to protect this marine drive from erosions by the sea. So my laser ride is going on, and let's look forward what interesting thing that I can show. Okay, let's move. You see just behind me there is a boat. These are, you know, actually the fishing trawlers type. They have got a very high-end ages. Maybe this is now kept here for display, and though we see such trawlers, but now we have been able to see from a close side, it has gotten out of constructions. So viewers, now I am moving back or going back to the town. Had a short laser ride, tried to show you some of the interesting thing that I liked, and now today is a Friday, so I have to go back and inshallah catching up with the Juma prayer. You see, this is the barrage that is being constructed, as I have showed a little bit earlier. Now some of the part of the construction is over here. So this is a very solid structures that has been erected from the ground beneath. On the way now I am returning, and now I see that the traffic has increased. It is allowing both way for the vehicles. That's why a little bit inconvenient for us, but however, inshallah, we are okay with that. Viewers, you see a canal here again. The catch of this canal is that, I don't know, we could see from here that it's tortuosity or zigzag course, and it has been obliterated. That means away from my eyes, as it has taken a turn to the right. So far away it has taken a turn to the right. I don't know where it has gone, maybe by the side of these mountains. Viewers, now I am in a stationery shop in Himchudi, and you see the very colorful packeted items are here. You see, looks very nice, right? These are more or less, we can say that these are a little bit of hygienic, and you can take this, and these are found all over the country. Going back to the Cosbazar town. So viewers, we are back. So we are back at my hotel. It was a nice trip. We stop here. Okay viewers, I am back to my hotel. So today's ride was a laser ride. Some of the nitty-gritties that I have tried to show in my video. I think you may have liked it, and definitely if Almighty Allah permits, I will come back with more interesting video for you. So till then, Allah Hafiz.